Animation, you all begin with an iPad. Come get your iPad. Make sure it's plugged in when you're done. You'll also need headphones to advance your slides, so grab your headphones. If you don't want to shoot down, you'll have to shoot out, and that will require a tripod. Tripods are down here. Get your tripod. I also have lights as well that you will need in this bag. The last thing you'll need if you're going to shoot out is a mount. X-Acto knives and such for any kind of shaping of your paper puppets. And then your drawer is table 8. You have Sculpey. You need more Sculpey, let me know. Scissors are right here if you need to cut. Please help me keep the paper organized in its own Ziploc bag. Cutting boards if you need to cut anything. Male end to the male end. This is a tripod mount for the iPad. Okay, I tighten this up. Step 1. You don't want to over tighten, just enough. Okay. The next step, you will see in this how it extends with just a little bit of attention and a spring action, okay? I'll show you next. Now that the mount has been attached, we keep it on the table. We don't want to drop the iPads. We can extend, and the legs, as you can see, all have locks. You simply open and extend and clamp back down. Does that make sense? Grab each one and then lock. It's better to figure this out on a flat surface than standing up. Everything should lock into place. To advance the photos without touching the iPad, I'm going to use these headphones. To mount this, we recommend shooting out. The camera is often better on the back side of the iPad. So we're going to put it on in this way. So the back side is sticking out. We put it in its brace at the bottom. And then we simply, with 2 fingers, we hold. You might take another pair of hands. We lift it and springs into place and lightly tighten it down. Nothing too tight. And then you are ready to go. You have a mount. To raise this, there's a knob on this side. I loosen it, bring it up to the level that I want. I tighten it. We'll take pictures. You see I have 6 frames at the moment. I hit plus and it makes a 7th. And this way, by not touching the iPad, we have very clean, stable photographs of our animations that won't look like it's in an earthquake. So you line up the camera with the hole of the stool and you have a surface below to animate. Make sense? Feel free to zoom in and out as you wish. And all you need to do then is continually move your pieces, photographing each one in between. To get started, choose the stop motion app and hit plus. You will choose a frame rate at 16:9, and I recommend 24 frames a second. If you ever need to find your film because somebody was on this in another period, just hit the back button and you'll see all the pieces that have been shot. So I'm putting a lot of trust in you to correctly and safely return everything. Loosen this, gently lift, pull out the iPad. We need to remove the mount from the tripod. I see this little nut below and I turn it and loosen it. I don't force it, I spin until it frees itself naturally. That's ready to go back. Tripod is completely collapsed, just as it was opened. Unlock on all the legs. And lock again. Just as I got it, okay? It's loading to export. And then you will we'll choose Google Drive. And you're going to title your film your first name and the first name of your friend working with you. So friend's name. When you're at this point, you've created a name for your file, call over Mr. Zisk and he will place it in the correct place so that everything is organized for the entire block. We plug our iPad back to its charger and we're done. We plug our iPod, we walk the tripod mount back to the case on the counter. We're done, we put the tripod back with the others. We close the doors.